Hello drone fellows, how is it going? So today I came to these mountains, as you can see in the background. So I will be doing a long range test from the position where I am standing right now. I am at quite reasonable height from here, and I have my buddy Kashif Mia here. As you can see, I found him in the mountains here. So today today we are going to do long range test from this point, and we will send the drone in that direction. So finger crossed, we will be not facing any more emergency landing, and hopefully achieve the maximum distance on Dji Mini 3 Pro. So let's head towards the drone and start this test.
The home point has been updated.
Guys, so I connected
Please
the Dji Mini 3 Pro to the controller right now, and right now I'm going to give the takeoff permission to Dji Mini 3 Pro and start this test as soon as possible.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so we are in flight, and I am starting this test right now. Okay. There is some headwind coming from that direction, but the speeds are not affected by it so far. We are getting 10 meters per second speeds, and we reached to 100 meters. The reason I came up to this position is that I will be able to give the drone maximum reception signals from the point where I am right now. So finger crossed, guys. We started at a full 100% battery, and we are seeing 35 minutes to 39 minutes. I don't know why this is jumping. Now it's showing me 42 minutes, 40 minutes, but let's just focus on the other things here. So on the bottom left, as you can see, I have there is a teeny map. I will mark it for you guys. The green circle with the arrowhead is the position where I am right now. It is showing the controller in the map, and the blue arrow, I will mark it for you as well. That is the drone. So if you focus on the green circle right now, it is showing that I am straight towards the drone. If I move slightly to the left, you see the circle move to the left, so this will cause interruption in the signal. So you have to keep an eye on this mini map to give maximum signals to your drone. If I move toward the right, it will turn blue, and if I move it straight towards the drone, I will get the maximum green signals, as you can see in the teeny map. Okay. Okay guys, so we reached 1500 meters so far, and so far so good. The one thing that I noticed in my previous long range test is that the reason why I get the low light on my Dji Mini 3 Pro is that I set the lighting to Pro mode. So if you watched my last long range videos, you would be able to see the extremely dark lighting in that. The reason for that is that I set it up the lights for just before the sunset. So when the sun fell down, I wasn't noticing the lighting. If I was in the auto mode, the lighting would be more better, but now you need to keep an eye on that as well. Okay, so we just lost 2 bars, 1 bar on the RC signal. So I will take the drone a little bit higher now to gain back the RC signals. Our height is still at 40 to 50 meters right now. Some meters still left to reach 120 meters, but I want to get as maximum range from this test as possible. We are continuously losing signals here, guys. I don't know what's the reason. think I didn't see any obvious obstruction that can stuck between the drone and the controller, which is causing the signal loss. So as I already told you guys, I'm on the countryside, away from any airports or busy airspace areas. So we are clear to take this drone as far as we can here in this particular area. So we reached 4,500 meters and the battery is at 76% right now. Our height is 238 meters and the time on the battery that is showing me right now is 23 minutes and 33 seconds. The goal I set for myself is to reach 10,000 meters on this, but because if in any case if I had to take the drone down because of some emergency landing, I will need to go down these mountains and then find my way towards the drone, so that will take a bit of time. I don't know, my AGL, my above ground level was high, but still we are getting weak signals from the point where I am. I expected a lot more strong signals from this point, but I don't know what's the cause of that weak signals here. So it just gave me the return to home pop-up on the screen, as you guys already saw, but I will take this drone to 10,000 meters. I had this range in my mind for so long, so just for you guys to see the 5-digit meters on this DJI Mini 3 Pro here right now, I will risk it. We have 60% battery left. That is more than enough, but I don't know why it is showing me 12 minutes. Maybe it's trying to keep me on the safe side.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
So we reached maximum flight altitude, which is 500 meters, and our distance is 8,500 meters. The speed at which the drone is moving forward is 10.5 meters per second. We are close to 9,000 meters on this DJI Mini 3 Pro. We are close to 5 digits meters. Come on, DJI Mini 3 Pro, you can do this time. Last time here I got stuck on the signals, but not this time. And there you have it, guys, 10,000 meters on DJI Mini 3 Pro. Let's go! What do you guys think? Should I take the drone back or just keep it moving ahead? Let me take the drone to a little bit more, just a little more, at 10,500 meters. What? Let's go, guys. Let's go to 1100. I mean 11,000 meters. And there you have it, 1100 meters. Let's go, return to home right now. That was quite a distance. Let's see the return to home now. Look at this. The drone just stabilized itself for the signals. Obviously we will not make in time, but I just wanted to give you guys the maximum thing on this drone. That was quite a distance from Dji Mini 3 Pro. Let's see where it lands now. I can see the location where I started this video from, but obviously we cannot reach there, but we can get close a little. Let me see if I know any of the place here, because I know that I will lose reception signals as soon as I take the drone down from the position where I am standing right now. That's why I have to take the drone straight down at a certain drop point, I mean the landing point. So we still have to cover 8,000 meters, and we have 32% battery left. At this time it is showing me 11 minutes and 26 seconds. We just dropped to 10 minutes, 9 minutes now. When the battery is at a lower percentage, like below 30s, the way it is going down is quite fast, so it doesn't take too much time before it runs out of juice. So just a little bit of concern there. The drone is not responding to left stick at this distance. I don't know what's the cause of it. Maybe it is in return to home, that's why. I found the location which I know, and I'm going to drop the drone here. Not here, but I know this location where I will take the drone down. Come on. Just past this. I will mark it for you guys. I'm making my mind to land in these fields because I know this place. I just want to pass these residential buildings and then go for landing here. I will cancel the return to home now and land the drone somewhere here. If there is,
critically low battery.
let's see if there is some trees, so I will try to avoid the trees. And I know I will lose the reception signals here now. Now I will lose the reception signals here. Or maybe not. I don't know. I think these fields are good for the drone landing. I mean, they are soft for the drone to land. And we still have good signals here. Should I just land it here? What do you think? Yeah, and it landed by itself. Image transmission signal may be blocked. Position remote control. Okay guys, so let's go towards the drone and hopefully we'll be able to retrieve the drone. And I will see you guys in a moment. Okay guys, so this is the location of the drone. I don't want to mess the fields too much, but let me see if I can find the drone somewhere here. This was the way where and I'm already seeing the drone. No, that's not. Yes, I'm seeing it right now. I think that is it. Yes, here it is. In absolutely perfect condition. Here, those were the mountains in the background, as you can see from where I started this test. The purpose I landed this drone here was that to retrieve it much quicker, and here it is, absolutely okay, no worries. Let's see if it has any. No, and it is the 47 minutes battery. You see, this is the 47 minutes battery. Okay guys, so I found my DJI Mini 3 Pro. Hopefully you will be able to find your DJI Mini 3 Pro if you are crazy enough to do long range tests like these on your DJI Mini 3 Pro. And I'm finishing off this video right here with my buddy Kashif. Kashif helped me achieving this range on DJI Mini 3 Pro. So thank you Kashif for the help. Do you want to say anything to the viewers?
No, it's fine.
Okay, so hopefully I will see you guys in the upcoming video. Stay tuned and take care. Thank you for watching.